Hello and welcome back to Newton's Bench. My name is Greg Perugini, and today's lab is on Young's modulus. This is lab number 9. Now, Young's modulus is used to measure the amount of stretch a material will undergo under a given amount of strain. Stress over strain. So, for every force that we have for a given area, we have the amount of stretch a material will undergo from its original length, and that gives its Young's modulus. Now, every material that can stretch, any solid material, would have its own Young's modulus. So in our case, we have a force, the amount of a mass, times the acceleration due to gravity, F equal ma. And we're going to use these larger rings, which are 40 grams, which is 0.04 kilograms. The area of the particular material we're going to use is a stretch string, which is about 1 millimeter in diameter. So the area, of course, of something round is pi r squared, the cross-sectional area. So we're going to have a change in length when we put a certain amount of weight on this from its original length. And that'll give us all 4 of these variables, so you could calculate the Young's modulus for our material. The material that we're going to use, you see I have it set up here, is this stretch string that you have in your kit. And you want to measure it before you put on the weight. Or you can even hold the weight up and just measure it from that point using your measuring tape. And then, as you can see, it stretches this string a certain amount. That change in length, because of this weight, is the change in length in the equation. The original length, of course, is without the weight pulling down on it. So you have the force, which is the force of gravity with this particular ring, over the area, again, pi r squared, the cross-sectional area, the change in length, how far it stretches over its original length. Now, if you had the old kit, an older kit, you would have a loop that you would have to use. But in this case, it's just one stretch of the string. So after doing this, you establish your baseline, measure carefully, then add one of the large weights and see how much it stretches. You should be able to calculate this for the stretch band. Add another weight and again calculate it, and you will have more of a change in the length. Of course, you'll have more weight, and you should get roughly the same Young's modulus. So that's the lab that you'll be doing for lab number 9, Newton's Bench.